people in here, like there is mostly good people.
Okay. How many language do you understand?
3 languages. How about you?
Right now, I'm searching a job and in IT sector. And this month, I given already 2 and 3 interview. And first interview round, and I mostly rejected. And this reason to the I join this app and improve my the communication skills.
Nice.
Are you college student? Yeah, school student.
Yes, I am student.
Okay. In which class?
Can you take a guess my own?
21.
Yes, right. I'm student at college. I'm going to finish my college next year.
Okay.
How about you?
Yeah, I have complete my graduation and 2024 graduated. What your future plan after you complete your graduation?
Maybe I work at a company. I will be a translator.
Okay.